Greetings, members, one and all of the Salvation Nation. Shut up! Silver prices are dropping faster than a hot air balloon on a Tuesday. I don't know what that has to do with carving wooden molds for pouring silver, but let's explore. Wait, first we gotta do some push-ups. You shut your mouth when you're talking to me. Here we go. Watch. Proof. I'm not faking. Watch. Here we go. 1, 2. Ow, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright, welcome back everybody. I'd like to thank Sal. I swear it was Sal. I'd like to thank Sal for that introduction there. It was very beautiful. But anyway, I'll turn it over to, what's his name, Nabler, to bring us to our first point of order. Everybody, this is my stick, and I'm in charge. And I say we're gonna look at the different woods. Okay, Jerry. Anywho, doing a little bit of experimenting with the different woods and how they burn, because we're going to be pouring molten silver into these. We want to see which ones are going to burn the slowest, and when they are burnt, what kind of pattern it brings out. So, let's just get started. Well, first of all, we got Douglas fir. It might be redwood. I can't remember. I got it from Lowe's. This one, same story, but it's pretty. This is red oak. Very strong, very dense, heavy wood. I love it. I'm guessing this is going to be the best. These are basically like pine woods, but they're pretty strong for being soft woods. For example, they're stronger than poplar, or harder than poplar, but poplar is still considered hardwood. Gets a little confusing, I know, but anyway, let's just check it out, see what happens. I already did a little fun thing right there, but time to show y'all. So we're gonna just kind of heat up a coin and see what happens. Don't do this at home. I am professional. That's a lie. Anyway, still don't do it at home unless you know what you're doing and have the proper safety precautions, like a fire extinguisher that is right there. You can't see it, but I can. And another fire extinguisher, also known as water. There's a sink over there. All my smoke detectors is working up in here. And, oh, that's some water right there too, but one of them's acid. I'll just pray that I choose the right one when the time comes, okay? Anywho, let's heat it up some more. Think it's hot enough yet? It's not quite molten, but that's not what we're doing. We're just doing some very not scientific, very unscientific tests. Somewhat scientific. I don't give a shit. Just to kind of see what's gonna happen when we do dumb shit. See it like this. Ooh, look at that. It's smoking. It's smoking. It's smoking and burning. Oh. So it was kind of yeah. Okay, let's try it on something else. Gotta heat it on up to the melt point. Not quite though. Look it's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. Get out, Cash. No, you're gonna die. No, you're not. Get out. No. You would die if you're that smart. See what it does to the oak. 1,000, 3,000, 1,000. Less smoke. Seems like it's taking longer to burn. Yeah. We'll see if the alarms, the smoke alarms actually work. Hopefully not. I mean, you know what I mean. Anyway. Alright, we're gonna do this one more time. 2 more times. Because this one was fun. I'm hoping it'll do it again. It's very anticlimactic for not only you, but for me too. I thought it'd be a lot more fun and dangerous. Let's explore! Shut up, Sal. Part's finished. You didn't even do those push-ups. Here we go. Yo, let's try it on some poplar. Can you see the poplar? Oh, there it goes. Whoa. Look at that. That is... the heck? Can anybody explain what it just did there? Because I sure as hell can't. Where's my scientist set? See? Whoa. Are you catching the color changes and stuff? I have to look. Anyway. See how this one it burnt a lot quicker and easier? So I'm guessing poplar is not going to be the greatest for doing these molds. Shut up! That'll do it. So, man. I don't know, maybe we'll try one with the poplar, but so far, I kind of figured the oak, the red oak, would be the best. But we might try a couple with the poplar. This one, I think it's going to leave some really cool designs in the wood. Or, I mean, in the silver. Like after a couple of pours into it because of the grain structure. See how the grain right here, there was a branch that grew out this way. And you can see there's different colors of grain. And they actually burn at slightly different speeds. And so it might leave a really cool pattern in the silver once it's done, but let's try one more over here. Show you what happened to there. So we're heating it up. Heat it up, heat it up. Fire, 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 fire! I am cornholio. I'm tippy for my silver. Cornholio. Come on, man. Alright, let's see if it'll do it again. Watch this, y'all. Like, sliding around! Ah! Oh, it's, see how it does? That's different. I don't know what kind, I think this is the redwood. Or no, this is Doug. This is redwood. See how it smokes? Yeah, you can see this is not going to be a great wood for pouring silver into. See all that splash back, all that resin or whatever it is? I'm not convinced that's going to be a very good idea. Because, I mean, this stuff isn't even as hot as it's going to be when we're pouring silver, and it's already burnt a hole. But these other, this one and this one are probably going to be the best one. So, let's explore! Shut up, Sal! Gosh. Go do more push-ups. At least 20 of your push-ups. You know I love Sal. Otherwise I wouldn't be making fun. Anyway, on to the next step. Next point of order. Oh, shit. So I just realized, like an idiot, this was completely off screen. You guys didn't even get to see what happened, how this color change happened. I just kept on rambling like a numbnut. So, take 2. Here we go. Point of order. Take 2. Here we go. Now, after this heats up, I don't know if you can see it. It wasn't very clear in the video or in the playback on the camera screen, but see how this is changing colors? Watch what happens when it goes onto the poplar. It's very interesting. I don't know exactly what's happening to the coin. If the wood is just sucking the heat out of it or if it's pushing heat back into the coin. It was really... it's kind of cool. So hopefully I get a good picture of it this time. Because I know there's people way smarter than me that might watch this. Maybe. as possible. And if you do, I would really appreciate it if you could help me figure out why it does this. See how it's changing the color from outside to inside? And you see that? I want to see if you can see what I see. Zoom in. Could you see that? Or do I need to do it one more again? I'm going to do it one more again, okay? See? Now the other side of the quarter just did some funky stuff. Funky town. Whoa. Alright, let's try this one more again. Now that I zoomed in, I'm just heating it up again. Funky town. Do 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 do. Funky town. Wow. All in my hero. See that? See what it's doing? I don't understand the color change, or it's getting very random, and it seems like it's transferring heat between the coin and the wood at the same time. And now watch, it's cooled down to the point where it's not burning the wood anymore. So, but watch when I flip it back over. See that? Slowly changes that color back. So it's almost like insulating it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm a friggin' nerd. I'm a geek, whatever you want to call it, but I find it very friggin' interesting. I want to know why that happened. So if somebody can please explain it, just put it in the comments below, or shoot me an email. It is in my about section. But anyway, moving on. Next point of order is choosing a shape for pouring silver into wood. That's my point of order, because I have the stick and I am special. And I don't need to make sense. Point of order.